Hello everyone, this video is about the biography of Samuel Johnson. In this video, we will discuss about the biography and the major work of Samuel Johnson and the summary of the Samuel Johnson work की जो समरी है वो उसके लिए मैं एक नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाऊंगी जिसमें उनके मेजर वर्क, उनकी समरी, उनके कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में डिस्कशन होगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सैमुअल जॉनसन वाज आल्सो नोन एज द डॉक्टर जॉनसन एंड ही born in 1719 and he died in 1784. He was a poet, playwright, essayist, moralist, literary critic, biographer, editor and lexicographer. He religiously Anglican and politically he was a Tory. The Oxford Dictionary of National Biography described him as arguably the most distinguished man of letters in English history. And he was also a subject of James Boswell's work, The Life of Samuel Johnson. He was born in Lichfield. His father's name was Michael Johnson and mother name was Sahara. He was married to Elizabeth, a widow of his friend. He suffered from a variety of diseases as a child and dealt with physical and emotional pain throughout his lifetime. He worked as a teacher, as a servant, and later at the end of his life, he hated both jobs. He wrote first major historical tragedy, Irene. The word Columbia, coined by Johnson, a poetic name for Johnson. It means he coined a term Columbia. In 1738, poem London published anonymously. Anonymously means without the name of the author. In 1744, he wrote Life of Mr. Richard Savage, and Mr. Richard Savage was a friend, an English poet of Johnson. His most important work was a Dictionary of English Language, which was written in 1755, and in this work he illustrated the meaning of words by literary quotation of different authors like Shakespeare, Milton, Dryden. It was completed in 9 years, 1946 to 1955. It means in the work of a Dictionary of the English Language, he illustrated the meaning of the words by using the literary quotation of different authors. And in 1950, he produced a series of essays titled The Gambler that was published every Tuesday and Saturday. The Vanity of Human Wishes was an imitation of Julian satire. 10. This is the most important point, that कि द वैनिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन विशेस किसका इमिटेशन है, तो जुविलेंस ने सटायर लिखा था विच वाज सटायर 10. It was the imitation of that work. On 8 June 1756, he published Proposal for Painting by subscription the dramatic works of William Shakespeare. In this work, he said that the previous edition of the Shakespeare was incorrect and it is needed to correct it. That's why he wrote that work. In this proposal, he argued this line. In 1758, he began to write a weekly series, The Adler, which ran from 1758 to 1760. Weekly series, The Adler. In 1759, his philosophical novella, he wrote a philosophical novella. In 1759, Rasselas. In 1765, he published the plays of William Shakespeare in 8 volumes, to which are added notes by Samuel Johnson. It is very important work. The summary of this work will be discussed in my next video. In 1770, he published a series of pamphlets in favor of various government policies. बहुत सारे for the supports or for the favor of government policies, he wrote so many pamphlets. In 1770, the false alarm political pamphlet attacking John Wilkins. In 1771, thoughts on the late translation respecting Falklands, Iceland. Cautions against war with Spain. In 1774, the Patriot taxation no It means in this work, Lives of the English Poet, he described the various features, excellent features of excellent writing. He criticized the poetic language of Milton and Thomas Gray, and he also disliked the decorative use of language and believed that in good language we should use the new and unique imaginary. एंड इन बायोग्राफी जॉनसन एग्रीड विद प्लूटार्च यूज़ ऑफ बायोग्राफी, मतलब वह जो प्लूटार्च की ने किस तरीके से बायोग्राफी को यूज़ करते थे उससे वो एग्रीड थे. एंड ही बिलीव्ड इन पोर्ट्रेइंग biographical subject accurately. It means we should for criticizing or for writing any biography we should write correct information. And he said that biography should not be limited to famous but also lesser individual also. It means we should not write biography for only famous individual or famous personality. We should write biographies of some normal common people. He emphasized the role of reader in understanding the लैंग्वेज ऑफ स्पीकर. उन्होंने बोला है कि जो स्पीकर की प्लेस होते थे, जो वर्क्स होते थे, वो बहुत टिपिकल होते थे फॉर द सिंपल रीडर्स टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर लैंग्वेज, टू अंडरस्टैंड हिज लैंग्वेज. सो ही emphasized the roles of reader to understand the works of Shakespeare. In preface to Shakespeare, he discussed the achievement as well as fault of Shakespeare. So in this work, he discussed the achievement as well as faults of the Shakespeare. So this is the list of Samuel Johnson work. ऐसे पैम्पलेट्स, पीरियोडिकल्स और सरमन उन्होंने जो लिखे हैं. 1732 से 33 में उन्होंने लिखा है बिर्मिंघम जनरल. 1747 प्लान फॉर अ डिक्शनरी ऑफ द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. 1750 to 55 से द रैम्बलर. 1753 से 54 में द एडवेंचर. इन 1756 यूनिवर्सल विजिटर. In 1756, the Literary Magazine or Universal Review. In 1758 to 60, the Adler. In 1770, the False Alarm. In 1771, thought on the late transactions respecting Falklands Island. In 1774, the Patriot. In 1775, a Journey, the West Island of Scotland. In 1781, the Beauties of Johnson. And he wrote 4 poetry. In 1728, Misha, a translation into Latin of Alexander Pope's Misha, मतलब it means this work is a translation of Alexander Pope's work. In 1738, poem London. In 1747, prologue at the opening of the theatre in Drury Lane. In 1749, The Vanity of Human Wish is very important work. These 2 poems is very important. He wrote some biographies and criticism, like in 1735, A Jovis to Abyssinia. In 1744, Life of Mr. Richard Savage. In 1745, Miscellaneous Observation on the Tragedy of Macbeth. In 1756, Life of Brown. And Proposal for Printing by Subscription, the dramatic work of William Shakespeare. In 1765, Preface to the Plays of William Shakespeare. In 79 to 81, Leaves of Poets. He wrote only one novella, The History of Rascal, Prince of Abyssinia. So it is all about the biography and the list of the important work written by the Samuel Johnson in my next video, I will discuss the summary of Samuel Johnson works and the characters of the work of Samuel Johnson. Thank you.